A 1932 Ford three-window coupe. This is kind of like, American Graffiti, more or less. And I always like them when they got some kind of something on the front fenders. Even if you had, even if you didn't get fancy, you painted them like a dull black, like matte black, so that you blend in with the tires. You have them cog into the tires because those tires throw up a lot of crap, man. They do. If you're on a dry road, fine, but if you're on wet, man, you're gonna be roosted tearing the hell out of kind of crap all over your car, man. It's good having the fenders on there. You got your suicide doors, see? Scallops was very popular. The scallops are easy to paint too. Not that this paint job is easy to paint, because this paint quality costs money and effort. But scallops are easy to paint. Flames are easy to paint too. One of the things I like to do with just paint something like a motorcycle tank is, you put your flames on there, and like say you're doing red or blue, you just do two different colors, like just a slightly different shade of blue or shade of red, whatever your basic theme is, and then you dust silver over it, and then you clear coat it and melt the silver in. It looks like heavy metal flake for dirt cheap. That's how I do things. Dirt cheap. And you got your chrome reverse. Well, I never used this camera before with the light at the show, and I said, wow, good thing I got this thing with me, because I wouldn't be filming right now. This was a very popular theme too back then. Chrome reverse wheels with the white walls. So, is there a window on here? No. See how so dark it is. I thought it was a window. So, you can see your suicide doors open. Put your mirror up there. And you can uncork these for open headers too. And you got your electric fan, which is very. I gotta test my. I've been kind of sidetracking other things I need to do. I'm working on that big flag, but big flagpole. But I got to check my electric fan on my Sebring convertible. I know I checked the relays and stuff, and they work. Somehow the fan don't come on. So, looking damn good. I always love these air cleaners too. You see he's got the little cool with the eyes in there.